will be do the banana smoothie. I want to show you how I do it, and I want to do meat with the strawberries today. And I already cut banana in a small piece, and you just throw it out in the blender. And I do have some ice. You just put a cup of ice through there, and you can put like milk, probably 1 cup of milk. Okay. Okay, 1 cup of milk, that's it. And I like the vanilla. I will be put vanilla I put 2 spoons of vanilla because you want more creamy, and that's I love to do that. And you can put 1 tablespoon of condensed milk, and if you don't have it, you can use the honey instead. And you can use half of the teaspoon, half of the tablespoon of condensed milk, or you can use half a spoon of the honey. Depend on how the sweetness you want, but for me I want 1 tablespoon of the condensed milk. Or you can use honey or condensed milk, whatever you have at home. And then you start to blend it. Here, let me start to blend it. I want to show you guys how I blend it. Put in there. Wow. Okay, we are done. Let me see. Oh my god, this is yummy. Let me see. Let's put in there. Oh, banana and strawberry. Banana and strawberry. I put more a little bit. Oh my god, this is so nice. Let me put some. Oh my god. Oh, so beautiful. Let me see. Let's see. Banana and strawberry. Banana strawberry, so yummy. Oh, let me, but you see, try it at home.